Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making South Indian style squid masala. Onion, finely chop the onion. Green chilies, 1 or 2. Curry leaves. Ginger 1 inch. Garlic 2, finely chopped. Oil 2 tablespoons. First add chopped garlic and ginger. Green chilies, curry leaves, chopped onion. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add washed squid 250 grams. You guys don't know how to clean the squid? Watch my previous video. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Salt as per taste. Turmeric half tablespoon. Pepper powder half tablespoon. Cumin powder half tablespoon. Red chilli half tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes half cup. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now add hot water half cup. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Add coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.